In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Squarespace website step by step. Let's dive straight in and get started with accessing your website. First things first, head over to the Squarespace login page. You'll see a login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you've already got an account linked with Google, there's a handy option to continue with Google, which is a great way to streamline access without typing in passwords. Just click this and you'll be directed right into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the section of your account that lists all your websites. Here, simply click on the option labeled Website. This will bring you to your website management dashboard. Now look for the option that says Edit Pages and click on it. This is where you can dive into the nitty-gritty of your site's content. Moving further, click on EDT next to the page you want to modify. Here's where things get exciting as you start customizing to your heart's content. If you'd like to change how your site looks starting from the top, go ahead and click on Edit Site Header. This part allows you to adjust elements like your site logo, your menu, and other features that appear at the top of each page. Some concise edits here can significantly shape your site's first impression. Now, for improving your offerings or highlighting a particular section, you might want to click on a segment of your page like Elevate Your Style with Premium Apparel. This will allow you to modify the text, giving it a compelling narrative or critical information that resonates with your audience. Remember, engaging text is crucial in keeping your visitors connected and informed. As you continue exploring, click on areas labeled Highlight. This is particularly useful when you need to emphasize key tools and details within your site for better clarity and user engagement. Feel free to adjust these sections to ensure that your visitors have a smooth, intuitive experience navigating your content. For adjusting content hierarchy, try clicking on areas like Paragraph 1 or Heading 1. Editing these will let you format your site's text, making sure information is well organized and easy to digest. This balance aids both SEO and user experience significantly. One of the pivotal steps involves adding new features. You can click on Add Block to inject new content blocks such as text, images, or galleries. For more interactive elements, you might consider adding a button. By clicking on button, you can create calls to action that could drive user engagement and directs traffic within your site. Lastly, don't forget to experiment with text on buttons, perhaps turning them into actionable phrases like "learn more," encouraging visitors to click and explore further. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you're now well equipped to start editing your Squarespace website, customizing it to suit your vision and goals. Happy editing!